Hello, this is our second of 3 reading organizers for this assignment this week. So let's get started on this. Once again, your reading organizer can be accessed in your class notebook by following this pathway, or you can download it here if you can annotate it without class notebook. So in your class notebook, it looks like this. And last time I did not tell you how to annotate, so for those new students, here's how you annotate. You go up to your draw function, you click on that, and that opens up this, and you will click on your text box, which is way over here, and then you'll be able to open up a text box up here, and you can pull that down and type on it. And if it goes too long, you just click on double arrows and you can pull that back, and then it will just keep making the box longer in there. So that's how you annotate it, and then you can move it around so that it fits in and does that, because some of the boxes are small. So one of the things you may have noticed is I actually made the boxes red, and that indicates where you need to fill something in. Now it should be 99% correct, but I may have missed one, so make sure you fill anything in that needs to be filled in. So let's go to the textbook and see exactly where you're going to be doing this. Here we are at your textbook, and I have a split screen. So in here you're on page 466, actually 465. So start off on 465, and you should have read this last activity. Read it again, specifically read this down here. It talks about the cytoskeleton, and it talks about lysosomes, and even though it isn't on here, you are going to have these things in your review questions that are going to be coming up in activity 4. So it's best if you kind of get this in your head or know where it is in your book. Okay, then you go to page 465, sorry, page 466. Now 466, you start off by reading about the nucleus, and you fill in the red boxes here. Then you go to endoplasmic reticulum, you go here. Now on the endoplasmic reticulum there are ribosomes. So you will be filling out the information for ribosomes from here also. Then you go down to Golgi apparatus, and then finally on over to mitochondria. Okay, and that will fill out this part. Then you move into the plant cells, and plant cells have all of the same organelles as the animal does, the ribosomes, the mitochondria, the endoplasmic reticulum, but in addition they have 3 organelles that animal cells do not have, because plants do photosynthesis. So they have little organs, specialized structures that will help it do photosynthesis. So that's the chloroplasts and the vacuoles, and then they also have a cell wall, which is slightly different than what we have also. So that's what you'd fill in here, 1, 2, and 3 for plant cells. And then you'd fill out their jobs. Again, you will have review questions on this material in activity 4. So please read carefully, or make sure you store a copy of this so you can access it later.